All right, if you're thinking about coming to the KW Wealth Roadshow, I want to talk to two groups of people. The first one, I'm going to tell you who this isn't for. If you already have all the passive income, the wealth, tax strategies, and you're crushing it financially, this workshop isn't for you. Everyone else, listen up. You're going to spend 5 or 6 hours doing nothing but understanding your money more, your taxes, and your plan. And I want you to ask yourself a question as you think about this right now. When was the last time in your entire life that you spent 6 hours on your money? If you're like most people, that answer is never, right? We'll spend 20 hours planning a dream vacation, but we won't spend 6 hours planning the most important thing in your entire life, which I believe is your financial well-being, because that gives you all the options. You're gonna leave with at least $10,000 of tax strategies. I promise you, if that doesn't happen, you come to me, I'll give you your money back for your ticket myself. You're gonna understand the flows of money. When money comes into your world, how should that come out of your business, into your personal, and how do you know when to invest and what to invest in? We're gonna look at different asset classes, right? We all think real estate and we default to single family homes. The reality is there's a lot more asset classes than single family houses. There's everything from debt, commercial, triple net commercial buildings, natural gas royalties. There's tons of different options there. We're gonna explore all of that. We're gonna give you tools, calculators, and resources so that when you come across a great investment, you know exactly what to do with it. Don't miss our next workshop in your area.